Hello, in this video I'm gonna explain two of HTTP methods, which are GET and POST method. And GET is the most common way of getting information. Actually, GET is used to request data from server or a source, and it remains in the history. For example, if you go to your browser and look for your history, you can see all the websites in your history. But POST is used to send data to browser, and it's the secure way of sending data, and it doesn't remain in the browser. For example, in your history of browser, you went into LinkedIn and you see which pages you went, and but you can't see what you searched in there actually, or what you sent to a user, which message you sent to a user. Now let's begin with creating an HTML template. Name as tree underscore index, and we don't need this, and our Python file, and we need from Flask import Flask and render templates for now, and app is Flask underscore name underscore. Alright, let's create our home page. Def home, return, just simply return a h1 take maybe. Right. And add that root to dash. Alright. In our template, we are gonna just create a form which will post a text. So I'm going to create a form here. An action hashtag maybe. And method will be post. Let's say let's get the name of the user, and we will create an input. Right, type will be text, and name will be name simply, and I will copy and paste this below, and this will be our button. Just push Ctrl and D, and type will be submit, and name, not name, value will be, let's say, submit. Alright, and we are gonna render this template from our Python file, and app.root, let's say sign in, find sign in, and it will have method actually in here, app.root, and the methods will be as a list of methods, which are posts and get. Alright, and we are gonna return the render template tree underscore index.html. Alright, underscore main app.run. Alright, let's run this one. I'm going to this URL. Right, this is our home page, and let's go to sign in. Alright, you see our name p tag, and we will just type a text in here and submit that information. For now it will not work, but I will check this. As you see, when we submit here, it's posting something. Let me show you here. It says posts, and you see the hashtag in here. Right, now let's redirect this information, and take this information and redirect to another page. Here I will simply create a user function here, and takes you, and just return just f string, and just create p tag in here. Let's say hello you. Right, and if that's root to you in here. Alright, we create our user page in here, but we need to take the information from this input, and we will redirect to there. So to do this, we are gonna need request, and if request, not render template, request dot method is post, is we're gonna submit something, and it will be a post method. We are gonna take the username or whatever typed in there. Let's say it's username, and request dot form. This request dot form is actually a dictionary, so we need just the key of the value what we are gonna take, and the key is here name, whatever you type in here will be name, and we will return. Actually, we are gonna need redirect and URL for in here, and redirect URL for. We are gonna go to user, and you will be username. Alright, what if method is not post? So let's say else in here, and we are gonna return what? We can just stay in that page. Alright, and another thing I wanna tell you is whenever I change my code, I need to rerun this code, so I don't want to do that every time. Let me run it first. Alright, and let's say debug through in here app.run. If you change your template, you just need to save this, update this one, and you can refresh your page. Alright, so I run this. Let's go to our home page. Let's go to sign in. Alright, let's say coder. What did I do? Alright. This is just a simple mistake. This one. Right, if you change your Python code, you need to rerun this. But if you change your HTML code, you don't need to rerun. You just need to save this one and refresh this page. Alright, it says hello you, but we didn't type you. Let's go to sign in. Let's say coder. Alright, excellent. It says hello coder, and I tried to explain the two of the HTTP methods as I know, and there are also different methods as put or head. I'm not gonna go in that one or this one. So that's it for this video, and thank you for watching. Have a great day.